So first things first, yeah, this piece right here is a 21. I'll loosen that guy. 21. These are aluminum stretch bolts, so I'll leave the parts in the description. That main one is a 21, and then these guys, I guess, maybe a 16. Slide the Dogbone arm out. Then we're gonna wedge the upper insert in the front here, lower insert on the bottom. Alright, so I don't remember doing this on the RS3, but it's telling me to undo the sway bar mount so that you can push the sway bar out of the way and put the insert in from above here. We just shoved it from the bottom. We'll try it this way, I guess. Looks like those sway bar bolts are 13s. There's 2 on each side. So now, sway bar can be pushed out of our way. The insert will come in from the top like this. Boop. So now that we have the grease in, I'll push that sway bar up and out of the way. Low enough. There we go. Okay, where did my arm go? So that is the arm. Goes through the upper insert. And I put this guy in like so. Nice. Okay, and then we will look up the torque specs, put new bolts in. So, first things first, I'm the realist. We gotta install the sway bar. Reinstall the sway bar bolts. Torque those to 20 foot-pounds, 28 newton meters. Alright, now that those are torqued, we're going to torque the Dogbone arm bolts. So, these ones are 50 newton meters or 37 foot-pounds, roughly 37 foot-pounds, plus 90 degrees, I believe. There, plus 90. There, plus 90. There we go. So those were 50 newton meters plus 90. This one's 130 newton meters plus 90. Okay, so Elfine. Alright, so we have the Dogbone upper and lower insert from 034 Motorsports freshly installed, and it definitely causes a little bit more vibration from like a takeoff and actually approaching stops. I have yet to really get on it because the car to warm up, but we will see. It feels like the shifts are a little bit more crispy, which, you know, you'd hope there'd be an upside to this. But that right there, that's a pretty aggressive vibration. I don't know if you could hear that. We did the same thing to the RS3 and it did not vibrate that much. I don't remember noticing so much of a shake. So definitely like a 3-4 shift doesn't hesitate quite as much. You don't feel, it's smoother from a 3-4 shift, but taking off from a stop sign, I mean, I'm not trying to exaggerate too much, but Feels like I'm gonna rattle my teeth off. Okay, so on power, it does feel better. Is it worth it? I don't know. You know, I'll probably drive it like this for a while, see how I like it. If the vibration really bothers me, I know there's a new, like, complete Dogbone arm and insert that you can get. I think it's from ECE. But for now, it does what this is doing what it's supposed to do, but can you put up with that vibration with daily driving? You know, I'm not in stop and go traffic a whole lot, so I don't think it'll be too bad. Okay. Definitely tight, like, hard to explain, but very tight, crisp shifting. God, this car just approaches way too easily. I mean, I don't know how fast I was going there. The ECU TCU tune, cannot praise it enough. Completely wakes up this car. Way faster, way better shifting, way better automatic shift points if you're in S and D. Just like night and day, worth every penny. Reliable company that's been in the game for a long time. They know these little 4-cylinder, these 2-liter 4-cylinder turbos really well. If you're in the market for parts, be sure to hit up A to B Motorsport. Every time I get it wrong. This car is ridiculous. As always, thank you for watching. Tune in for more GTI, RS3, Miata content. Hoping to do some more autocrossing this year now that most of my car projects are completed. Just need to do a coolant reroute on the Miata. Maybe do some suspension mods on this car, new tires. But as always, stay tuned. Follow us on Instagram at @hardway_learning, I believe. I'll correct it if I'm wrong. And with that, we'll see you next time.